Welcome to the future of coconut processing. This facility is unlike anything you've seen, so come on, let's take a look inside. The journey begins right here at the raw material intake bay. These state-of-the-art systems scan and sort every
Precision. This is the dehusking station. The semi-automatic machine uses this central spike and rotating blades.
In this state-of-the-art facility, every coconut is inspected by hand before the automated system carries it toward cracking. As the shells vibrate, the firm white copra is loosened. The high-tech system ensures the meat separates cleanly.
And here you can see the automatic paring machine in action. It precisely scrapes away the brown skin, leaving behind this incredibly pure white coconut meat.
The coconut meat pieces are thoroughly rinsed in this stainless steel drum washer, removing any debris from the paring process before moving on to grinding.
And now for the crushing phase. The coconut meat is dropped into this massive grinder, transforming it instantly into fine, moist shreds ready for pressing.
Welcome to the future of coconut processing. The golden oil is extracted, leaving behind this dry, fibrous meal.
In this section, we blend the grated coconut with hot water. The mixer creates this thick white slurry, which is the very first step in extracting the milk.
And this is where it hits the target temperature.
Exactly. We maintain 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, ensuring everything is perfectly sterilized.
To turn the milk into powder, we use this spray drying tower. Notice the precise temperatures here, 200 degrees Celsius.